Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a love bite for you. Let's see Aquarius what wants to show through for you today, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Aquarius. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Aquarius, somebody wants to return? Oh, star, center of my spread. Wonderful. And an Ace of Pentacles as well. Moon, Queen of Cups. And there's a Seven of Swords. All right. So, yeah, somebody does want to return here, Aquarius. Overall energy of this reading is the Three of Wands in reverse, looking backwards. All right. So, what's going on here? Somebody is... they're kind of trying to gather up their strength, it seems, to return, because now they know some bad memories have been created between the two of you. They're feeling very foolish of their own behavior. They are wishing, they're praying that, a new beginning is possible. They're quite fearful, very much in their emotions. Looking at this Queen of Cups, who they think is... they're trying to sneak back into this Queen of Cups life. Look at this Queen of Cups facing the other way, and this person trying to sneak back into their life. Right? That's, let's see. This could change. Let me clarify these cards. Let's see where we are going with this. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll do the clarification. So, Aquarius and their person spirit. Oh, lots to say. Okay, let's take a few from here. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. They could say something to each other. All right. And I'll take a few from here as well. Aquarius and their person. Okay. Good to go, Aquarius. That was quick. The first card here says, shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges, or did I push you away due to believing the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. Why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I told you somebody wants to come back. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. I think of you before I sleep. I dream of you all night, and then I wake up to think of you again. 24/7 on their mind. All right. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. Okay. We see this from two different perspectives. I really need your warmth and affection. I want to restore your faith in me. So, Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to you. A blessing, guidance, okay, emotions. Lot of emotions here. Somebody has to dive deep in, and these could be dark emotions also, at having lost their partner and they're realizing they can't do without them. and they need to come back. So yes, this could be a very emotional time, maybe even for the person who left and is wanting to return now. All right, so Strength Spirit. Why is the Strength card here in reverse? Yes, somebody is very stressed. They can't sleep at night. When they do sleep, they of course dream of you, but they really can't sleep at night. This person is very, very, very stressed out and trying to gather courage. One more, Spirit, for the Strength card. Why are they so stressed out? Why are they so stressed out? Yes, this person has gone within. They're going through a dark night of the soul for sure. Yes, this person is in hermit mode and they are trying to now figure things out by themselves. Their own heart, mind, body, soul, their spiritual guides or whatever, they're trying to now figure out what happened, why it happened, what went wrong. This person is in a very dark place, I would say, but still I think being in hermit mode is helping them figure things out. Okay, I can see so much darkness. So even see, look at this card. This is all dark emotions, right? And now they're kind of wondering how to return. 8 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person wants to come out of this sad place that they find themselves in. I think they are very regretful. They have they look back and they feel really bad about whatever's happened, but they want to get out of this. They can't take it anymore. And what they're worried about is that this Queen of Cups has withdrawn their love and they will never achieve her love again or will not be given love again. They'll be rejected on sight if they do go back. They do want to now. They're clear actually that all those illusions are out. They can see clearly now. Being in hermit mode, the enlightenment is there about whatever happened, but they're a little fearful that if they do return, they know they've created some bad memories here between the two of you. Yes, that's why things have halted, things have stalled, right? Some bad memories have been created. Maybe they didn't fight for this connection, maybe they held back, and now they feel very foolish. Yes, Fool is clarified by the Fool. But now they want this brand new beginning, even though they feel it may not be allowed or it may not be given. They want to send a message. They want to try once more time. They want to move this forward. They definitely want a reconciliation here, Aquarius. Expect some message or news to come because this person really wants to reconcile. They want to heal things between the two of you. They're very ashamed and very embarrassed of their own actions. One more for the Star Spirit. Yes, they are wishing and hoping that they can resurrect what they spoiled. They hope that, a new beginning can happen. Structure and happiness and long-term happiness can be achieved once again. They see you as their star. They know that you are their wish fulfillment. So Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this person is 100% sure now. They want to transform whatever happened in the past. They want to say, dead and buried, you are my soulmate. I love you. You are the person that I want, but somewhere they are scared. They're very, very scared that they will not be offered this brand new beginning. This person is very afraid that, it may not be possible anymore. They're wishing for that, but they are afraid. The Moon card, Spirit. The Moon card. Yes, they are stuck. Yes, they are trying to get enlightened about how to make this work. What work should I put in to regain this love that I've lost? Queen of Cups, Spirit. Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups, I think, has withdrawn since. I think they probably shut the door on this person already. May be very suspicious of them, may be very angry with them, or at least that's how this person is perceiving them. That my person used to love me so much and they were so sweet and kind and gentle, but now I don't think they'll trust me. What's this World card, Spirit? Yes, this person wants to begin again. They want to have communication. So, but why are they still coming back as the Seven of Swords, Spirit? Seven of Swords. I don't know. Either they are not happy, they're not happy that of whatever they've done in the past. Maybe they sneaked away, or they lied or cheated or did something. This person is not happy with their own behavior. Because now they know this is their happiness, this is their sunshine, this is their happily ever after. I think they may be coming back to clear the air about this, whatever they did in the past, whatever the Seven of Swords is to you and them. They want to come and talk about it. Yes, this person wants to come back and take charge. They're coming back as a king of wands. They have made their choice. This person is charging, moving ahead. They've already made their choice. That you are my happiness, you are my Ten of Pentacles. Maybe they're coming back to have communication about why they did what they did in the past. Okay? Yes, this person is definitely wanting to return. Can I have one more card, Spirit, for the Three of Wands in reverse? Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, if there was any confusion, this person is now turning their back on all this confusion, or if they had any options or anything like that. This person is only looking at a future with you, or vice versa. You could be doing that towards them. They want to bring back balance and healing into this connection. So now for all of you out there, it could be a different timeline, because this person is going through this dark night of the soul at the moment. They are getting their spiritual wisdom, and some will ascend faster, some maybe in a few weeks or months, I don't know. But this is in the pipeline, that's for sure. This alone time is really going to propel them back to the future. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to call this reading. They want to go back to the future. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Let me know if that resonated. A thumbs up will do, if not a comment. Lots of love and light. Take care. Namaste.